Chik Chik Woof Woof, here comes a little pup, chasing his tail around and round and never wants to stop. Chik Chik Woof Woof, bouncing up and down, wagging his tail with a happy sound, running all through town. Chik Chik Woof Woof, jumping on his toes, sniffing all the flowers bright and barking as he goes. Chik Chik Woof Woof, friends with all the cats, playing games all through the day and taking little naps. Chik Chik Woof Woof, as the day turns night, curls up in his cozy bed and dreams of morning light. Chik Chik Woof Woof, dreaming in his sleep, adventures fill his little head as he softly beats. Chik Chik Woof Woof, morning comes anew, our little puppy's up again with a happy, cheerful woo. Chik Chik Woof Woof, the day is bright and clear, with his tail wagging high, he knows his friends are near. Chik Chik Woof Woof, through the park of play, barking out a joyful tune all through the sunny day. Chik Chik Woof Woof, splashing in the stream, jumping in and jumping out, it's like a puppy dream. Chik Chik Woof Woof, through the wagon and bark, playing fetch with sticks and balls all around the park. Chik Chik Woof Woof, pausing getting tired, but he won't stop until he's done, he's feeling so inspired. Chik Chik Woof Woof, rolling in the grass, flipping flop and somersault, he's having such a blast. Chik Chik Woof Woof, tomorrow's on his way, more adventures to be had, more friends with him to play. Chik Chik Woof Woof, we'll see you very soon. Good night, sweet pup, and sleep beneath the moon. Good night, sweet pup, and sleep beneath the moon.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting video. Thanks for watching.